Hey everyone, my Borla exhaust tips are in. I'm going to be doing a Borla exhaust upgrade on my 2017 Sierra SLT all-terrain package. That's why I'm sitting here with the knife, because Jeff, my parts manager, let me know that the exhaust tips were in. I want to take a quick look at them, give you guys kind of an unboxing preview, and then in this video we're going to walk you through what's involved with putting one of these exhaust systems on your truck, and then at the end I'll start it up, let you guys listen to it and see what you think. Now you can get these exhaust tips in two different styles. You can get them in the black or you can get them in the chrome. But seeing how the all-terrain package doesn't really have any chrome on it, it's body color bumpers and it has a nice black side steps, I thought it only made sense to make sure that we put black on it. So I'm going to go to the parts department, talk to Jeff, and see who's working on this vehicle and give you guys a little bit of a behind the scenes on how the exhaust goes in, and more importantly, what it looks like and what it sounds like when it's on the truck.